Hello and welcome. Today's tutorial is all about customizing your smartphone ringtone, which can be done on the iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch, and many Android smartphones. Let's begin with the iPhone. On your iPhone or iPad, open the App Store and search for GarageBand or use the link I'll have in the description below. While GarageBand is installing, let's get our recording. This will be done by screen recording a song you would like or using the audio from any video on your iPhone. I am using a clip from a YouTube video of multiple people singing one of the iPhone's built-in ringtones. Cropping the video to as close as you can of just the audio you want will make it easier later when editing. Once you've cropped the video, go back into the App Store and search for an app called Shortcuts, or use the direct link below. Next, you'll need to obtain the Export Audio shortcut, which I'll also have in the description or comment section. Once you've got the shortcut, go back to the video and export the audio and save wherever you want in files. Now open GarageBand and create a new project. If you're opening the app for the first time, it'll automatically make a new project for you, as shown. Follow the steps as shown to import the audio and crop it. Once you are satisfied with the song, save it by tapping the button in the top left corner of the screen. Tap and hold the project to bring up a menu, then tap Share. Tap Ringtone, then name your ringtone and tap Export. After tapping OK, go to Settings, then Sounds, then Ringtone. All custom ringtones will be at the top. Now the Android users. Once you have your audio obtained and downloaded, go into Files. Find it, then tap and hold on it. Depending on the phone and what AndroidOS you are running, you'll need to find where the Move button is. Move the file to the folder titled Ringtones. This is located under Internal Storage. Next, open Settings, then Sounds and Vibrations, then Ringtone. I haven't figured out how the ringtones are organized, but you'll find your custom sound among the list of ringtones. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions regarding this topic or would like other tech tutorials on specific topics, feel free to ask them in the comments below.